Did you know How to Train Your Dragon is totally different in the books? In the books, Toothless isn't big, black, or majestic. He's tiny and green, and he can't even breathe fire. And Hiccup? In the books, he's way braver and confident from the start. He's also much smarter and not the shy, awkward kid we see in the movie. But here's the crazy part. The dragons talk, yup, all of them. Toothless, who's sarcastic and super cocky, talks back to Hiccup like they're old pals. Imagine that. A sassy Toothless instead of the silent, loyal one we love in the film. DreamWorks turned the story into an emotional adventure, making Toothless a powerful, heartwarming dragon. But the book version? It's a bit more chaotic, with dragons and humans dealing with a lot more crazy situations. Would it have changed how you see the story? And if you want more cool movie secrets, follow for more. Did you know